Hi friends, we are going to solve now another circle question, and remember we have already solved a circular puzzle in which there were 6 persons. If you want to find out that, please visit this YouTube channel. Now we will go ahead and look at another circular puzzle where there are 8 persons. So let's read out our question. The question says J, K, L, M, N, P, Q and R are sitting along a circle facing at the center and playing cards. And based upon this, we have 4 different conditions. The first condition says L is second to the left of J. Second condition is R is immediately between K and N. The third condition says P is immediately right of K. And the fourth condition says M is not the neighbor of either P or L. Now first we will see certain things to be taken care of while solving the circular puzzles that we have already shown in our first circular puzzle that we have uploaded earlier. We will again see those certain things to be taken care of while solving this kind of questions here, so that you will understand the question better and you will understand the solution, how we solve the question. Now first we will see the things to be taken care of while solving these kind of questions. So the very first thing is direction. So in this type of question, if we see the word left, say left of anything, say left of A, then we have to move in a clockwise direction from A. Suppose we have a circle like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6, where 6 persons are sitting around the circle, and we have a condition like B sits second to the left of A. So we will put the word which is followed by of here. The word the letter followed by of is A, so we will put A here, and the condition says B sits second to the left of A. So we will move in a clockwise. We have the word left here, so we will move in a clockwise direction and to the second spot. This is first and this is second spot, so B will be here. In the same manner, if we see the word right of A, then we will move in anti-clockwise direction from A. Let's take a same example here. Say C sits third to the right of A. Here the word comes right, and we have to put the letter which is followed by of. the letter followed by of is A. We have already put A on the circle, and now because of the word right, we will move into anti-clockwise direction, and from A we will move anti-clockwise direction, and the third spot will be 1, 2, and this is third, so C will be here. C will be here. This is the third spot in anti-clockwise. 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3. So it says C sits third to the right of A. I hope you get the direction concept. Now the second thing to be taken care of is find out the number of persons. Find out the number of persons sitting around a circular table. Okay, now hi friends, we will look at another circle question here. Again we will follow the first step, that is we'll find out the number of persons sitting around the circle. So if you read our question, it says J, K, L, M, N, P, Q and R are sitting along a circle. It means that we have number of persons are 8. Now in the second step we will divide a circle with 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now we will read our first condition, that is, this is the first condition. It says L is second to the left of J. Remember, we always highlight the word, the letter which is followed by of. Here the word followed by of is J, so we will put J randomly here. Now the condition says L is second to the left. The word left comes here, so we will move in a clockwise direction. From J in the clockwise direction, and in the second, at the second point, that is first and second, so L will be here. Now the first condition satisfied. The second condition says R is immediately between K and end. R is immediately between K and end, so we are not certain where should we keep these 3 letters. Here we have 3 letters, and they are R, K and N. They have no relation with L and J, so we can certainly not put them on the circle. So we'll move ahead and read our third condition, that is P is immediately right of K. So here again the letter is P and K, which is having no relation with L and J, so we cannot put P and K on the circle right now. So we'll again move ahead and read the third condition, that is M is not the immediate neighbor of P. Again the letters are M and P. Okay, M is not the immediate neighbor of P or L, so we have 3 letters M, P, MP and L, from which we have L. Okay, now it says that M is not immediate neighbor of P or L. It means that we don't have P, so we cannot say where M could be, but we have L, so M is not immediate neighbor of L also. M should be not here and here. It means that M could be here, here, here and here. So there are 4 possibilities. So by taking the first condition, we are not sure about the rest of the 3 conditions where we should put the letters. So what we will do, we will first follow the second condition. Okay, so rough this one, cancel this one, and again in the first step we'll draw the circle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now read the second condition. It says R is immediately between K and N. So R is in between K and N. Suppose we put R here, so K and N will be here. One side would be K and one side would be N. But in this situation we could have another circle putting R as it is, but the positions of N and K can be like this. Okay, now in both of the situation R is in between K and N. Here is R is between K and N, and here also the R is between K and N, right? So the second condition is followed. Now read the third condition. It says P is immediately right of K. Now remember, whenever we draw the possibilities, I mean 2 circle or 3 circle, only one circle will follow. I mean only one circle will be right. So from these 2 circles, one circle will be wrong and one circle will be right. Okay, now the third condition says P is immediately right of K. P is immediately right of K. So for the first circle, we'll see the word followed by of is K. So we have to move around K. Here it is K, and condition says P is immediate right of K. The word comes right, so we will move in anti-clockwise direction. From K anti-clockwise direction, immediate right, there is already a letter, so we cannot be put here. So we found this circle to be wrong. And if we follow the second circle, we have to follow we have to move from K into anti-clockwise direction, because it says right of K, right of K. So we will move in anti-clockwise direction from K, and immediate right of K means here, so P will be here. Okay, now from 4 of the conditions we have followed second and third condition. Now we have the fourth condition, which says M is not the immediate neighbor of P or L. M is not immediate neighbor of P or L. The the letters followed by of are P or L, from which we have only P on the circle. So the condition says M is not immediate neighbor of P or L. We have P, so M is not immediate neighbor of P. M will not be here. So for M there are 3 possibilities, 1, 2 and 3. For that we have to draw 3 different circles. But rather than increase our possibilities, we will move and check the first condition. The first condition says L is second to the left of J, right? L is second to the left of J. So the word followed by of is J, and we have to and we don't have j over our circle, so we will put j randomly, and we have 4 places for that. Suppose j is here, we will draw that in the third step. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the condition says L is second to the left of J. Suppose J is here. Okay, now it says left of J will move in a clockwise direction, and it says second to the left of J, means this is first position, this is second position. Second to the left of J will denote it by L. Okay, right? Now we'll have to draw a second circle for the same condition, putting N, R, K and P as it is. Now why we are drawing the second circle? Because we have assumed that J is here, so J could be here and J could be here, J could be here also. So we have put the J here in our first circle, and in second circle we will put J here. So if we put J here, according to our condition, will move in a clockwise direction, and second position, at the second position there will be L. Okay, now J can be also here, but if you can see, if you put J here and we move in a clockwise direction, and at the second position there is already a letter, so we cannot put L here. According to our first condition, it says L is second to the left of J, so if we put J here, there is already a letter at second position, and if you put J here, here also, if we move in a clockwise direction, at the second position there is already a letter K. So we have the possible places for J are this one and this one. For that we have drawn 2 circles. First one is here and second one is here. So we have followed our first, second and third condition. Look, if we have followed the fourth condition, we would have to draw 3 possibilities, and we have followed the first condition, so that we reduce our possibilities by drawing only 2 circles, right? Now we will move to our final condition, and it says that M is not immediate neighbor of P or L, right? So in the first condition, in the first circle, we will see M is not immediate neighbor of P or L. First, P's neighbor is this and this. K is already here and here there is nothing, so M will not be here. M is not a neighbor of P, and also M is not neighbor of L. So L's neighbor are this and this, so M cannot be here and here. And apart from these 2 places, there are no places remain where we can put M, right? So for this circle, our final condition is not satisfying, so this circle is wrong. Now we will move to our second circle, and it says M is not immediate neighbor of P, P's neighbor are already filled, and M is not neighbor of L. L's neighbor is this, so M cannot be here, and the remaining place is here, so M will be definitely here. Okay, now there's only one place left, and we have to find out who is sitting at that place. We have only 8 persons, and that are J, K, L, M, N, P, Q and R, out of which J is there, K is there, L is there, M is there, N is there, P is there, and R is there. Only Q is not there. So at the remaining place Q will be there. So we get our final circle here. So we'll draw it in the final, we draw it finally like this. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and we'll put this arrangement here. J, M, N, R, K, P, L and Q. So for our this question, in which 8 persons are sitting around a circle, we got our final circle here. Right, now based upon this sitting arrangement, we will solve our 5 different questions. Okay, now we got our final circular arrangement, and based upon this arrangement we will solve the 4 questions. In this circular arrangement, N, R, K, P, L, Q, J and M. Okay, now read out the first question. The first question says, who is to the right of K? Okay, right of K. So the word followed by of is K, and K is here, and it says right of K. Now right of K, the word is right, so we have to move in an anti-clockwise direction. So if we move from an anti-clockwise direction from K, P is situated. So our answer for the first question is P. In this way, the answer for the first question is P is to the right of K. Now read out the second question. The second question says, 4 of the 5 are alike in a certain way, and so form a group based on the position of the person, which is the one does not belong to that group. And there are 5 options provided. The options are as this: Q, J, N, R, P, K, J, N and P, L. Now we have to find out which one of these does not belong to the group. Okay, now we will take our first option, that is QJ. If you look out at the QJ are sitting immediate. Okay, they are immediate neighbors. The second option says NR. If you see NR, they are also immediate neighbors. The third option says PK. Where's PK? PK. They are also immediate neighbors. The fourth option says JN. Where's JN? J and N. Now see here, there is one member between J and N. So J and N are not immediate neighbors. And if we look at PL, they are also immediate neighbors. So in these 5 options, 4 are this one, this one, this one, and these one are immediate neighbors. Only one group, that is JN, they are not immediate neighbors. So our answer for the second question is JN, which does not belong to the group. Now the third question says, who is second to the left of N? It says second to the left of N. Now, so the letter followed by of is N. We will locate where N is. N is here, and it says left of N. Now left means we have to move in clockwise direction from N, and it also says second to the left of N. So we will move in a clockwise direction from N, and we'll see who is at the second position. This is the first position, M, and this is the second position where J is there. Okay, so our answer for the third question is J. In this way, J is second to the left of M. Now the fourth and final question says, which pair given below has the second person sitting immediately left of the first person? Okay, and there are 4 options provided. We will write down the 4 options. They are Q, L, P, L, J, M, and Q, J. Now read out the question again. Question says, which pair of the given below, means which of the pair from this one, has the second person. Suppose we take the first, we'll take the first option. Okay, second person. Who is the second person? Second person is L, sitting immediately left of the first person. Means we have to find out if L is sitting immediately left of the first person, Q. Okay, so left of Q means the word followed by Q, word followed by of is Q here. Q is here, and we'll see if L is to the left of Q. If we where is L? L is here. So if we have to find out the relation between Q and L, we have to move in a clockwise direction from Q. Now we moved in a clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means left, right. So L is to the immediate left of Q. So in this question, in this option, our first option we find out to be true, right? So it will be obvious that other 3 options will be wrong, but we will see for the second option. In this option also we have to find out if the second person, L, is sitting immediate left of the first person, that is P. So we have to find out if L is sitting to the immediate left of P. Left of P means the word followed by of is P. P is here, and if you find out the relation between P and L, we have to move in an anti-clockwise direction from P to L. Now we have moved in anti-clockwise direction, so it will be denoted by right. So in this option we find out that L is to the immediate right of L, not the left of L. So based upon our condition, the second option goes wrong. In the same manner, if we find out JM, JM. M should be immediate left of J. So if we move from J to M, we are moving in anti-clockwise direction, so it will be right. So M is to the immediate right of J, so this option also wrong. Now we will find out for the QJ, that is Q and J. So we have to find out if J is sitting immediate left of Q. So we will move from the word which is followed by of. Left of Q, J is sitting to the left of Q. Left of Q means the letter followed by of is Q. So we will move from Q to J. So in this way we are moving in anti-clockwise direction, so it will also denote right direction, not the left. So J is sitting to the immediate right of Q, so this option will also be wrong. So for the fourth and final question, our correct answer is QL. Right. In this way we have solved our 4 questions based upon this circular arrangement. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find out some more puzzles with solutions, please visit this YouTube channel. You'll find a lot of useful videos here. Thank you. We also have our Facebook page where you will find the latest news regarding the quantitative exams and current affairs and a lot of other stuff like the puzzles and latest videos uploaded by us.